Welcome to another restoration video. This one is a vintage valve radio, a Philips Valiant 2. You can see it is in a very poor condition. It is very dirty. However, the dial plate is in a good condition. You can see, we can see all the markings. This one is made of glass. Yeah, and that is the rear view of the radio. That is the back cover. And you can see it is very dirty inside. It is missing the original power transformer. The speaker is also in a bad condition. The cone is gone. That is the magic eye. The ECH 81. EBF 89. And this is the ECL 82. So we have taken the chassis out, and you can see it is in a very dirty condition. It is covered with dirt, and even inside the radio cabinet. We will give it a good wash, and this will all come out clean. So the dial plate came out. We will clean it, and we will spray clear coat on this side to preserve the paint, the markings on this. Unfortunately, the speaker was broken. Now we are repairing the ferrite rod antenna. Here is the ferrite rod antenna. There are two coils. This one and this one are the two coils. And when we compare it with the schematic of the radio, here you can see S2A and S2 are the two coils. There is also an S1 and R1. S1 is a coil, and R1 is a resistor, and here it is S1 and R1. But the whole structure of the ferrite rod antenna got damaged, so we have taken it out and we are trying to repair it. So we have tried to clean the chassis. As you can see, it is somewhat clean, not completely clean, but it is somewhat clean, and we'll clean it more. But for the time being, we'll try to replace this electrolytic capacitor. This is a aluminum can capacitor, 50 by 50 microfarad. It houses 250 microfarad capacitors. So it is about 40 years old, so we'll try. No point in testing and keeping this in circuit. uh, we will replace it with new ones. And here is a view of from the bottom. That's the capacitor, and this white thing is the electrolyte that is being leaking from this capacitor. So definitely this capacitor is faulty and we have to replace it. So we will change this capacitor. We will be using these Keltron capacitor 47 microfarad at 450 volt, these capacitors, to replace that old capacitor. So the new filter capacitor is connected here, and we have also repaired the ferrite rod antenna. And wherever necessary, we have, like this one, we have put new wires because the old wire was brittle, it was breaking off, so we have put in new wires. And here also you can see we have put in some new wires. This is a new rubber grommet. The old rubber grommet was, you know, dry and it was breaking off, so we have put in a new rubber grommet. This is the socket for Magic Eye, and we have changed it because the original one was in two pieces, so we have put in a new socket here for the Magic Eye. The wires are new, some of the wires are new, not all of them. That's the output transformer. And here is the power transformer. We have purchased a new power transformer from the market and we have put in here. And this power transformer has got two windings, one for 6 volt at 2 ampere, 6.3 volt at 2 ampere, and 230 0 to 30 at 70 milliampere. That's the output of the transformer, and the input is 230 volt wall outlet. And we have put a strip here, terminal strip, a fuse, because there was no fuse in this radio previously, so we have put in a new fuse. This is 315 milliampere fuse. The wires from the transformer are terminated on this power strip, and then they are taken off with various wires inside the radio chassis. And now a view of the under the chassis. Here is the other electrolytic capacitor. We have checked all the components and the components are okay, uh, fairly within the tolerable tolerance value. That electrolytic capacitor is new. So that is the dial plate. It's made of glass, and you can see we have cleaned it. and we have sprayed clear spray paint at the back of this to protect the paint and the markings on this. Yeah, and that is the speaker grill. We have also spray painted it with silver paint. That is the cabinet of the radio. We have put new screws here. That's the back cover. That's an aluminum foil. That works as a ground plate for the radio. We have cleaned the inside of the radio. As you can see, we have cleaned it with soap and water. And since this is a bakelite body, so it came out quite nicely. Here is the speaker. We have reconed it because originally the speaker paper was all dirty and broken, so we have reconed it. We have also spray painted it, and now it is ready to go inside this radio. It will be positioned here like this. The speaker grill came out loose, so we have to glue it back here like this. And so here is a chassis. It is complete. Electrical restoration is complete. We have changed various components like this electrolytic capacitor, 47 microfarad at 450 volts. Also we have put in a rectifier tube. Yeah, this is the EZ80 rectifier tube. Previously there was no rectifier tube. There was a solid state diode, but we have changed that and we have put the circuit as it was originally. So we have put a rectifier tube here. Also there was no power transformer, so we have put a power transformer. That's a 300 milliampere fuse. Yeah, that is the rating of the power transformer. That is the magic eye tube. This is the original socket for the magic eye tube and it is broken. So we have put a new socket for the magic eye tube, and those two are the indicator lamps. Now we will connect the speaker and check if the radio is working or not. So these two leads are from the output of the output transformer. Here is our lamp limiter. We are putting the radio on medium wave.
और इस गीत के बाद श्रोताओं, हमारे स्टूडियो की घड़ी में समय है सुबह के 9:44। দিগন্ত দিয়েছ তোমার ওজন ঠাকুর তুমি পৌঁছে গেলে আসমান।
Yeah, so we have verified the radio is working. Now everything is complete. The speaker will go inside the speaker, the chases, everything will go inside the radio, and we will this restoration of this radio is complete. So the speaker has been installed inside the cabinet. Now we move our attention to the power cord. We have installed the power cord. Here it is. We will make the connections with the transformer and the on off switch. We have installed the chassis inside the radio cabinet. You can see here it is. We have installed it, and the chassis is held on to this radio cabinet via these 4 screws at the bottom. Now the faceplate needs to be attached to the body. So the restoration of this radio is complete. When initially we got it, it was in a very bad condition. It was very dirty. It was not working. It was missing various components inside. We have cleaned it and we have replaced all the bad components. We have put in the missing components in it, and now it is all working and it is as good as new. I will just switch it on and give you a demo. It is warming up now.
मेरे सपनों की सूरत तुमको पाकर सफल हुआ है मेरा पल में जीवन प्रेमेरी बाधने बेधेछि তোমায় প্রেমেরি বাঁধনে বেঁধেছি তোমায় হে মোর জীবন ধন প্রভু তোমার চরণ শিয়রে রেখেছি ঢেলেছি
পুরীর জগন্নাথ দেবের সময় খুব কম, কারণ জগন্নাথ দেবের মন্দিরের কথা বলতে গেলে অনেক অনেক কিছু এসে যায়। খুব স্বল্প পরিসরে বলি, চার ধামের মধ্যে কিন্তু পুরীর এই জগন্নাথ মন্দির অন্যতম বলা যায়। লক্ষ লক্ষ মানুষ
This is medium wave or the broadcast band. For shortwave band we need an aerial. So this is shortwave 1.
Jim is your home for everything you want to know about.
लता मंगेशकर की आवाज में अभी आप सुन रहे थे मासूम फिल्म से गजल। अगली गजल हेमलता की।
This is shortwave 2.
Внимание, Thru. Идем. कलामोचे पदेआडा द वजीरिस्तान जंगलातो मुक्कामी 4 भाग निविला पारा वयली दो युवा वयल वजीरिस्तान के दे सरासर
So friends, restoration of this Philips Valiant 2 radio is complete, and thank you for watching. I hope you will join me in my next restoration, which will be coming soon. Thank you.